Hi, this is Alex here. So this is the introduction for this 2 hours Excel at TikTok. Why we say Excel at TikTok? Because we designed this course based on the most most view content from the TikTok, and we choose it, and then we design it for 2 hours classes. So these 2 hour classes will be organized in March and April. So you can scan this QR code to register. So we have four most wanted topic that we design. Package A will include the tips and tricks, and then mainly the Excel table, the slicer, filter, and advanced filter, and then the formula for the subtotal, and as well as the function of the subtotal and flash view for package A. Package B will be having the tips and tricks. Tips and tricks are available for all packages. So the difference are the content. So package B, data validation, that we can limit the entries of the data for each cell or ranges. Find and replace. And then we will also share how to do the data housekeeping for quickly housekeeping the data so that you can do analysis. Package C, mainly we focus on the lookup formula, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, and also XLOOKUP if you are using Office 365. Conditional formatting, where you can put the condition and ask Excel to do some formatting, for example, highlight when the amount is more than 50. We will also share how to do some number formatting. You can put in the accounting formatting, put in ringgit, put in dollar, or do some customized formatting. Package D, we will focus on the Excel add-ins. For example, that you can key in the calendar without keying in. You just click. How to create the QR code inside the Excel. How to merge and wrap text. And also how to do formulas correctly using absolute reference and relative reference. So the dates are available as below. So each package have different dates and time. So once you scan the QR code into the Google form, you will see each section is different, but the price is the same, 60 ringgit per session. So when you register with us, we will share with you the notes, the FB private group, the attendance certificate, and also the exercise file that for each topic. Okay, see you there. So these are the reasons, because we want to make ourselves more employable, we want to make ourselves more valuable, so we will also want to make ourselves work more efficient so that we can go back on time. Okay, see you later. Thank you very much.